Restart. Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Thursday and good luck for today. And it's the first day of the month and also a Labor Day. So, good job sa mga nagtatrabaho. It's our day today. Sana may ayuda din tayo, no? Hindi lang yung tayo nagbabayad ng tax and binibigay yung ayuda sa mga wala namang trabaho. Well, anyway, good job pa rin sa ating mga nakakapagbigay ng tax para sa Pilipinas. Sana lang this coming election iboto natin yung mga hindi corrupt, yung hindi ipang ayuda or ipang vote buying yung pera ng taong bayan. Well, anyway, going back dun sa topic na restart. So it's a brand new month today. So I guess it's time to audit ano nangyari last month, ano yung mga good things that happened, and ano yung mga missed opportunity na pwede nating baguhin this month. And yeah, I think what's working last month is pwedeng ipagpatuloy for this month. So yeah, isulat mo na yan, or kung anong ways mo man to restart again para ma-check yung progress or yung audit mo kung ano na, saan ka na. And I guess yun lang. Good luck. Ipag-pray natin na yung month na to is magiging better than last month, or praying na maging best month for this year, diba? It's almost 1, 2, 3, 4 5th month of the year. So God bless us all. Amen. So ayun lang. Good luck and anyong. Mwah.